Autumn's Majesty, Patricia Sisko. Sun, with his artistic touch, streaks skies of blue with rosy blush, trimming oak and maple too, crimson reds with yellow hue, birch and hemlock, purple and gold, apples, pumpkins, bright and bold, burns by day and cools by night, cloaking trees in fiery might. Wispy winds and tumbling leaves, cypress scents within the breeze, starry eves and harvest moon sets the stage for cricket's tune. As spiders spin their tapestry and crickets sing in symphony, their final song of destiny, it's clear for all the world to see, autumn's vibrant majesty.